guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making for you a little snack, or you could use it for your lunch. It is a pickle sub and it's really easy to make. You only need a few things. You need a good sized dill pickle, your favorite lunch meat, cheese, and whatever toppings you like. I've got mayonnaise, but you could certainly use mustard if you wanted. And then a couple of toothpicks just to hold it together. So what you do to start with, you cut the pickle in half. You take a spoon and you want to scrape out the seeds in the middle. So it makes a little boat on each half. Then again, I'm using a little mayonnaise, so put a little mayonnaise in, spread it around. And then, like I said, I've got ham and a little bit of turkey, a slice of cheese, put the pickle back together. Then you take your toothpicks and you press them through. And there you have a pickle sub.